Welcome kids. Welcome to the number cut. Today we are going to learn quadrilaterals. Let us know what is a quadrilateral. Quadri means 4. Quadri means 4. Lateral means side. So a four-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. So this figure has 4 sides. You can see 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices, and it has 2 diagonals. So what are the 4 vertices? Let us see. It is 4 vertices are vertex A, B, C and D. Now let us see the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. The sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the 4 sides. Now let us know the angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Also we can say angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA or angle DAB. So we can write in short angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And there are 2 diagonals. The opposite vertex are joined by this line segment. So BD one diagonal and the other one is AC. Vertex A and vertex C, opposite vertices are joined by a line segment, makes a diagonal AC. So we know this is a quadrilateral which is made up with 4 sides, or you can say in short 4-sided polygon which has 4 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us understand what are adjacent sides. When side AB and BC has a common vertex, these 2 sides, a pair of sides, they are called adjacent sides. So AB and BC makes adjacent sides. Similarly, BC and CD makes adjacent sides with a common vertex C. Similarly, CD and DA makes adjacent sides with a common vertex D. In the same way, DA and AB makes adjacent sides with a common vertex A. So these are the adjacent sides AB and BC, then BC and CD, then CD and DA, and next DA and AB, DA and AB. These pairs are adjacent sides. Now let us know what are the opposite sides. Here you can see opposite sides are BC and AD, DC and AB. They do not have any common vertex. So BC and AD is opposite. So BC and AD, they are opposite. And DC and AB, they are opposite. DC and AB, these 2 sides are opposite. Now let us understand what are adjacent angles. Here we can see there are 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now what are adjacent angles? Angle B and angle A and angle B can be called adjacent angles because they have a common side AB between them. So angle A and angle B are adjacent angles because they have a common side AB. So first pair of adjacent angles, angle A and angle B. Now let us see second pair of adjacent angles, angle B and angle C. They are called adjacent angles because they have a common side between them, BC. So angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. Now next, similarly, angle C and angle D also are called adjacent angles because they have a common side C and D. So angle C and angle D are also adjacent angles. Same way, Angle D and angle A are also called adjacent angles because they have a common side between them, AD or DA. So angle D and angle A also are adjacent angles. Now how we get diagonals? When opposite vertices, you can see opposite vertices. This vertex is opposite to this vertex. So opposite vertices are joined by a straight line or line segment. They make a diagonal. So here we get two diagonals, BD and AC. So BD is a diagonal and AC is another diagonal. So these are the information about quadrilateral. You should know what is a quadrilateral and parts of quadrilaterals. A little more information about angles, sides and diagonals. Now let us know the types of quadrilaterals. So types of quadrilaterals. What are the types of quadrilaterals? We know first type is a parallelogram. First type is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Now parallelogram which has four sides and which has four sides and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Four sides, four vertices, four angles and opposite sides are parallel to each other. So two pairs of parallel sides, parallelogram. Next, rhombus. Now what is a rhombus? Rhombus is just, it looks like a diamond shape, rhombus whose all four sides are equal. Rhombus whose all four sides are equal length. Also it opposite angles are equal and all opposite, it has two pairs of parallel, opposite sides are parallel and all four sides are of equal length and opposite sides are also parallel. Now after rhombus, now we have trapezium. Now trapezium, we know this is trapezium. It has only one pair, opposite side is parallel. Other two sides are not parallel. So this is a quadrilateral having only one pair of sides parallel to each other. Next is a rectangle. Next is a rectangle. A rectangle which has four sides, opposite sides are parallel to each other, has four right angles, four vertices, and this is also called a parallelogram, a quadrilateral. Next, we have a square. Square, all four sides are of equal length. Has four right angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And four right angles, four sides are equal and all four sides are of equal length. And two pairs of parallel sides. It has two pairs of parallel sides. Next we have kite. Now what is a kite? This is a kite-shaped quadrilateral. This is kite. Now it has two pairs of adjacent side. This is a pair of adjacent side. This length is equal to this length. So this is a pair of adjacent side. This is another pair of adjacent side. And a pair of opposite angles are equal. So these are the types of quadrilaterals. One is parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, rectangle, square and kite. So today children, we have learned quadrilaterals and facts about quadrilaterals and types types of quadrilaterals. I hope this video content is useful to you. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.